Nick Ionati with Casual Furniture Solutions. Today we're going to be replacing a loop lock on your AKZ umbrella, which is one of the most common parts that breaks. It's a very simple, fix. So come on over and let's get into it. So what I like to use is a hammer, a nail set, and then a little bit longer of a screwdriver. So I'm going to bring this up to a good working height. So we'll just crank it up a little bit. And then we're just going to push that pin through with the nail set. Get that going out, and then just take your longer screwdriver and just push that all the way through. Or not even all the way through, you can leave it right in there. And then take that out, and typically this will be broken. So what we're going to do is just replace this, put this right back into place. The notch on it goes towards the top. So you put that right in there and line it up with that pin to go through it, and just tap it right back into place. And that's replacing the loop lock. Pretty simple fix, but again, it's one of the most common problems that people have on their umbrella. So that's it. So hopefully that takes care of one of your situations on your umbrella. Nick Ionati with Casual Furniture Solutions.